Israel may be small, but its defense strength is impressive. Built for survival, its system is skilled at detecting threats early and stops them. Living under continuous threat changed Israel's defense philosophy early on. It made Israel realize that rockets, missiles, drones, and long-range weapons could be launched toward its territory with little warning, often from multiple directions at once. To survive, Israel had to find a way to stop these attacks as early as possible, which led to a layered defense network where each level handles a specific threat while functioning as a unified system. When it comes to ground and low-altitude defense, Israel relies heavily on the Iron Dome, a high-end system crafted to intercept short-range rockets and artillery shells. The Iron Dome is designed to spring into action within seconds, as there often isn't enough time to leave civilians. As soon as a rocket is launched, the system's radar picks it up right away and relays the information to a command computer. This computer then calculates the rocket's path and predicts where it's likely to land. If the rocket is projected to land in an open field, desert, and even on open sea, the Iron Dome stays put. However, if it's on a collision course with a city, neighborhood, power station, or military base, an interceptor missile is fired to take it out mid-air. This targeted approach is what makes the Iron Dome so effective. Rather than trying to intercept every single threat, it zeroes in on the real dangers, enabling Israel to protect its citizens without draining its resources. Over the years, the Iron Dome has undergone many upgrades. Its radar has improved, its response time has become faster, and its software has become smarter. Today, it can handle large-scale attacks where many rockets are launched at once. This ability has saved many lives and reduced damage during ongoing conflicts. But the Iron Dome isn't the only advanced technology Israel uses. There are also systems that deal with medium and long-range threats. Systems like David Sling and Arrow are set up to protect against more powerful missiles and aircraft. David Sling is made for medium-range rockets that are too advanced for the Iron Dome, while the Arrow intercepts ballistic missiles that travel long distances. Together, these systems form a strong protective shield, ensuring that threats are dealt with before they can reach civilian areas. Israel also adds intelligence, early warning systems, and satellite tracking into its defense strategy. Drones and reconnaissance aircraft are always monitoring hostile areas, sending real-time information back to command centers. This approach allows Israel to anticipate potential attacks, prepare civilians, and activate defenses quickly. This multi-layered strategy has made Israel one of the leading nations in missile defense technology. By combining fast interception systems, predictive intelligence, and continuous innovation, Israel aims to keep its people and critical infrastructure as safe as possible, even against constant threats. Also, Israel's defense is led by the Arrow system, which features Arrow 2 and Arrow 3, designed to intercept long-range ballistic missiles, including those that may carry nuclear warheads. These missiles are among the most dangerous weapons, flying at high speeds and covering large distances. Due to their destructive aim, early detection and interception are important, and the Arrow system excels in this area. Particularly, Arrow 3 is significant because of its ability to intercept incoming missiles outside of Earth's atmosphere. This allows for the destruction of a threatening missile in space before it begins its descent. By neutralizing threats at this point, it prevents debris from falling on Israeli land, greatly improving safety. Only a few nations have reached this level of defense, representing a major advancement for Israel in space-based protection. The Arrow system is regularly updated with the latest radar, guidance, and targeting technologies, keeping it ahead of new missile threats and more advanced enemies. This sophisticated space-level defense is supported by Israel's own satellite network. Israel is one of the few countries that designs, builds, launches, and operates its military satellites, providing it with independence, speed, and continuous situational awareness without relying on foreign systems. The Ofek satellite series is essential to this capability, offering a vital advantage in intelligence gathering and early warning. Another high-end tool Israel uses in protecting its people is the Ofek satellites. It circles the Earth, taking stunning high-resolution pictures of large regions in the Middle East. They play an important role for Israel, enabling the nation to monitor missile sites, military bases, troop movements, and any suspicious activities that may happen outside its borders. Some of these satellites have optical cameras, while others use radar imaging. The radar satellites are invaluable because they can see through clouds and operate in total darkness, providing continuous surveillance. In addition to monitoring, these satellites enhance communication, navigation, and coordination among Israel's missile defense teams, forming a seamless network that connects ground, air, and space systems. The Arrow system and the satellite network establish a highly sophisticated, multi-layered defense strategy that keeps Israel prepared against potential threats. Drones are very important to Israel's defense strategy. As a top developer of drones, Israel has created a wide range of drones for different purposes such as surveillance, intelligence collection, and communication assistance. These drones vary in size and function, from small, portable units designed for short-range observation to larger models that can remain airborne for more than 24 hours. Their stealthy capability to observe hostile regions and borders provides Israel with a continuous, real-time perspective on potential dangers, including troop movements and missile launches. Drones frequently collaborate with satellites. While satellites can survey large areas and offer strategic intelligence, drones are better at providing detailed, close-range verification and tracking of specific targets. This collaboration guarantees that the information is accurate, minimizing the risk of errors that could result in miscalculations. In numerous operational scenarios, drones serve as the forward eyes for interceptor systems, delivering real-time updates on missile tracking and improving intercept accuracy. This multi-layered defense strategy allows Israel to react more quickly than its opponents, even when confronted with unexpected or simultaneous threats. Radar systems form the foundation of this integrated defense network. Israel employs long-range radars capable of detecting missile launches from hundreds of kilometers away, in addition to short-range radars that protect cities, military installations, and vital infrastructure. Mobile radar units provide an additional layer of adaptability, enabling the defense network to swiftly respond to evolving threats or emerging hotspots. All this information funnels into centralized command centers, which rely heavily on artificial intelligence. AI algorithms continuously analyze incoming data, predict missile trajectories, prioritize threats, and automatically assign the optimal interceptor for each target. This integration allows Israel to defend against multiple attacks simultaneously, including dense rocket barrages, ensuring rapid, coordinated responses across land, air, and space domains. AI, combined with drones and radar, transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, making Israel's defense network faster, smarter, and more resilient than nearly any other system in the world. More importantly, Israel's defense system is not limited to missiles and satellites alone. Helicopters play a quiet but critical role in supporting and protecting these high-value assets. While helicopters cannot operate in space, they are essential to the survival and flexibility of the systems that do. The Augusta Westland AW-109 Grand Nu is a helicopter that Israel uses for various missions. It is lightweight, fast, and very reliable, making it ideal for quick deployments in different situations. In military operations, it often helps in transporting commanders, coordinating missions, and quickly responding to emergencies. The helicopter can move senior officers between air bases, radar stations, and defense units, allowing for quicker decision-making during critical times, ensuring that important orders are communicated promptly. Additionally, its speed and agility enable it to maneuver in tight spaces and difficult terrains, providing Israel with the flexibility to address emerging threats. Another key helicopter in their fleet is the Sikorsky S-76D. This aircraft has a longer range, improved stability, and greater endurance than lighter models. In Israeli operations, these advantages are utilized for the secure transport of defense officials, airborne coordination missions, and monitoring large defense areas. In high-pressure situations, the S-76D can function as a flying command center, linking air defense units, radar operators, and ground forces in real time. Its spacious cabin can hold advanced communication and surveillance equipment, allowing commanders to manage multiple units and make informed decisions while airborne. Also, heavier helicopters like the CH-53 have a different but equally important role. They transport missile batteries, radar equipment, technicians, and spare parts. This ability allows Israel to quickly reposition or strengthen its defenses when a specific area is under threat. Moreover, these heavy-lift helicopters can assist in the rapid setup of temporary defense positions or support disaster relief efforts. Without helicopters, even the most advanced defense systems would be slower to deploy, less flexible, and more vulnerable to attacks. When it comes to defense, Israel isn't just focused on physical barriers, it's also a powerhouse in cyber and electronic warfare. In today's world, battles are fought not only on the ground, but also in the digital realm. Israel's cyber units work tirelessly to protect military networks while simultaneously disrupting enemy communications, radar systems, and weapon guidance. The tools of electronic warfare can jam radar signals, throw missile guidance off track, and even disable drones, all without firing a single shot. In fact, some threats are neutralized in cyberspace before they even have a chance to enter Israeli airspace, creating an invisible shield of protection. Looking to the future, Israel is pouring resources into developing laser weapons. These high-energy laser systems are designed to take out rockets, drones, and mortars. Since lasers travel at the speed of light, they can intercept threats almost instantly, and they're much cheaper to use than traditional missile interceptors. Although they're still being perfected, lasers are poised to become a key component of Israel's defense strategy. What really distinguishes Israel is its ability to integrate various technologies. Satellites, radars, drones, helicopters, missiles, cyber units, and command centers all work together seamlessly. Information flows rapidly, decisions are made swiftly, and responses are spot on. Each conflict offers valuable lessons which are quickly transformed into enhancements. Israel's defense system is more than just protection, survival, and maintains an advantage in a tough environment. By extending defense capabilities into space and connecting every element of the battlefield, Israel has fundamentally transformed the nature of modern warfare. Now that you've seen the full depth of Israel's defense system, from satellites watching silently, from orbit to helicopters coordinating, what's your opinion? We'd love to know in the comments. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more exciting updates.